In today's video, we're going to be talking about adaptogens. Now, since there is a lot to discuss, I'm actually going to break this down into two videos. And in this video, part one, we're going to talk about what adaptogens are, why they can be helpful, as well as a list of 10 common adaptogens. And in part two, I'm going to dive into more specific details of those adaptogens and their specific health benefits, dosage, and any precautions you may need to take. So let's go ahead and get started. So what are adaptogens? Simply put, an adaptogen is an herb or plant that is non-toxic, has a non-specific response in the body, reduces your body's stress response, and helps balance, restore, and protect your body. Now, this is important because when you have a stress overload, it can have a pretty big negative impact on your health. So when you experience stress, your cortisol or your stress hormone levels rise, and this initiates the flight or fight response. Now, this response stimulates our nervous system and our adrenal glands. Now, normally your body would respond to the stressor, whether it's environmental, psychological, or physiological, and then your cortisol levels just level out again, and your body adapts back to normal. However, for those who experience the stress that causes that fight or flight response on a regular basis, and for a lot of people, this is on a daily basis, and they're in a state of constant stress, this can burn out your adrenals, which could affect your gut health, and it can also age you faster. And chronic stress can lead to adrenal fatigue, and if left untreated, can lead to potentially more harmful health problems. So not only do adaptogens help your body reduce stress and adapt and restore balance, it can help minimize fatigue, it can improve your energy levels, it can improve your focus and endurance, it can boost your immunity, and it can relieve symptoms of depression and anxiety. So while there are many approaches to reduce your stress, like proper nutrition and eating real food, there's getting enough sleep, exercising regularly, and even meditation. Using adaptogens is just another natural way to just help your body reduce that stress and adapt to stressful environments. So how do you take adaptogens? Well, adaptogens do come in pill form, tinctures, powders. There's teas and coffees now. So there are definitely plenty of ways to consume them. So one thing to note is that consistency is key. It takes several weeks to feel a difference in your body, but I would recommend that you stick with it for at least 3 months. I'm going to share some examples of ways that I consume adaptogens. One adaptogen I take in powder form is maca. Now, I actually already have a whole video on maca alone, so if you want to check that out, I'll put the link in the description box. And next is ashwagandha. This was actually a very recent purchase, so I'm still figuring out how to use it and see what works best with it. I also take adaptogens in pill form. Now, this is Uber Energy, which is a supplement from Hum Nutrition, and I really love this because it has a focus on adrenal support and has a really nice adaptogen blend. And lastly, I have been really into matcha lately. I've actually been substituting it for my daily cup of coffee in the past couple of days, and it's just really nice. Now, here is a list of 10 common adaptogens. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, there will be a separate video for part 2, which is going to cover the more detailed information about these individual adaptogens, which will include ashwagandha, rhodiola, holy basil, shatavari, eleuthero, astragalus, select medicinal mushrooms, maca, Asian ginseng, and matcha. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found it interesting. Let me know in the comments below. Would you consider trying adaptogens? Do you think it would work for you? I would love to hear your thoughts on this. And I just want to thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. And if you do, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. I just want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.